Fats. There are many different kinds of fats. Fats are made up of 3 fatty acids joined together. There are different kinds of fatty acids. Fats also give us energy. Fats actually contain more energy than carbohydrates. Our bodies use fats as an energy store. We store fats under the skin and around the heart and kidneys. When we are short of energy, our body uses the fat. We need proteins for growth and repair of cells, carbohydrates for energy, fats as a store of energy and for warmth. There are 2 main types of fat: saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Fat that comes from animals is saturated. Fat that comes from plants is unsaturated. If we eat too much saturated fat, it sticks to the lining of our blood vessels and builds up. This makes our blood vessels narrower. This can increase the risk of a heart attack. Our heart has to work harder to push the blood through narrow blood vessels. Many school children already have narrow blood vessels. Food and energy. Our food gives us our energy. We need energy for all the activities that we do. Carbohydrates and fats are high-energy foods. Energy in food is measured in kilojoules, kJ, where 1 kilojoule equals 1000 joules. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next part. Hope you like this video.